I'm Bellesa from Gold River, California. For me, what missing when make safer product choices is the lack of information. We still don't have these words spread. And like for my company, we are doing this to help our customers do this choice right now. And I think so. What the industry can do is knowledge and education, because we, as a provider, we need to know that information to pass to our customers, because that's important message. Because we are talking and we are bringing safe and health cleaning. Cleaning for me, it's health.